Yep, the Toro. Briggs and Stratton engine. This is one of my personal pace mowers, model 20037. This thing works pretty good. Yep, and it is a super recycler. I have another one, 2009, with 6 3/4 horsepower, and it doesn't have a primer like this one does, but it's basically the same. This stupid thing right here is gone. I hate this. I really do. It gets in the way. It's more of a nuisance, I think. But I like the cast aluminum deck. Wheels are nice. Engine is nice. I am a fan of this personal pace. I know some people aren't. Yeah, but I am. GPS, guaranteed to start. That's true most of the time, but not all. Height adjustments. Yeah, this is pretty good mower. Only thing that I've had to work on is this gas hose right here, which broke on me trying to get it off, because I was trying to get the I was going to clean the carburetor, but I ended up replacing this hose, and after I got done doing that, I didn't feel like doing anything else. Lazy. It's a good mower though. Like I said, the 2009 mower, which, you know, is just like this. It's got a little, this, like I said, this thing's off, and it's got a little thing right here for the washout port, but besides that, it's pretty much the exact same, and it's got more horsepower. And this, the primer, there's no primer, but everything else is the exact same. I would recommend Toro. I've said that probably a million times, especially the super recycler. Good mower. You know, about $500. I paid $480 last year for the 2009. It was on clearance. Can't beat that. Alright guys, see you later.